Scenicvans, where we turn campervan dreams into reality.
Hi, I'm Kevin, this is Emily, and this is Elon, and we're the owners of Scenicvans. And in this video, we're going to show you how we built this awesome Everest Floorplan 170 Sprinter.
So we've rented vans a whole bunch. I knew I wanted to own one since 2020, and John kind of made fun of me about the whole thing. But then after a while, sort of got interested himself. And so finally, we kind of jumped and did it.
Annie and John are ready to turn their vision into reality, and that journey begins with sound deadening. At Scenicvans, we use Killmat, the first step in building a campervan that's as quiet as it is comfortable.
I think that getting an AC or not an AC was kind of one for us. I didn't really want to spend that much the money for it, but I know how hot it's getting. So we did get 2 Maxx air fans.
Today we're just doing the PreWire on the 170 here. Probably knock it out, 6 hours or so. Get all our wires ran here, our switches wired up.
All those wires need protecting, and we do that by wrapping them in loom.
So we got this wrap right here. Goes around, it's protected for the wires. And we feed it through and zip tie them off.
Whenever we build a van for a customer, it's really cool to be part of it. We build dreams. We get to be part of, making this dream happen for them. But with these customers, it was especially really awesome. John and Annie, they're the type of people when you first meet them, you're just like, wow, these are just really nice, wholesome, family-oriented people. I thought if you looked up like grandpa in the dictionary, you just see like a picture of John. You can tell he just can't wait till the next time he sees his grandkids. After we signed the contract and designed the van together, we learned a little bit more about them, and they actually own a farm that does events, and they have a cafe on property.
We're excited. We own a business, but we've sold parts of it, and so we have more time now, and so we're really looking forward to exploring the US, Canada, Mexico, wherever.
Coincidentally, Emily and I go to this restaurant like all the time. It's one of those places, everyone has this, where when people come from out of town, it's a place that you bring people. It's a place where we celebrate milestones and birthdays and events. Of course, they paid us money to build them the van, but we in some ways feel like we're giving back because we've shared so many core awesome memories at their business. And so, it's just really cool and really fun to just be a part of this build, and we're just super excited to show you.
Each of our vans comes equipped with house batteries that can be charged with solar power. You can also rely on alternator or shore power for charging.
Get framing done today.
Here, we're adding insulation, one of the most crucial steps in a campervan conversion. We insulate as much as we can to help keep the van cooler on hot days and warmer on cold ones.
Yeah, we're just doing the roof right now. We gotta get 5 more lights in too. So we just got done doing our first window of the day. Jesse showed us how to install the big window, and then we also got the 2 bunk windows in on both sides installed. Come around here, check out that one. It's all set in right now. Got the caulking in. We got our weather liner up on here. We're gonna be getting the next big window in, and then we'll be all complete on windows.
In preparation for colder days, Annie and John opted for a diesel-powered S-bar heater that is installed under the passenger seat. A fuel line connects the heater directly to the van's diesel tank, allowing it to operate independently without the need to start the van.
We're going to get all our marks on the hardboard so that way it makes placing it easier. You can start doing like the bed platform rails and start fitting like the electrical and water boxes too.
We wanted the bed to be going back to front, and We also wanted a nice sized bench that you could hang out in and eat meals and stuff inside. And our van has both those things, plus enough storage. It seems like it's got plenty of storage.
A unique way Annie and John maximized their storage was by having custom cubbies designed to fit alongside the bed. Their storage solutions also include overhead cabinets, a closet, and a spacious garage. This garage is where the electrical system and water tank is stored. The galley, which serves as the kitchen, is a crucial part of any camper van, one that Annie and John are eagerly anticipating.
So I can't stand driving really long distances. I get all antsy. John has sort of adjusted to that, kind of my needing to stop.
Being coerced.
Yes, the van will give us a nicer place to hang out. If you just stop, go take a walk, make a meal, and not necessarily needing to go into some dumb restaurant that you didn't really want to go into.
Good.
Now, only the final touches remain before this van is adventure ready. An important part of this process is ensuring everything is fully functional and that every last detail is accounted for.
That's a fair amount of drawer space. There's a lot of drawer space here. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, here's some cans of paint. Oh, how sweet.
Touch-up paint.
What are those?
Those are fuses in case anything blows. And I'll walk you guys through everything.
Oh, sure,
no worries,
sure.
no worries.
Wanted to put them. I was going to put them on
there's
command
the box.
strips.
Oh, how good. That looks really nice.
A lot of times the smoke detector ends up going right here, and I remember you saying you didn't want anything right there.
Aren't you
So
sweet?
I do my best for you guys.
Oh, and look at this. Oh, that is so nice up there. I love that that one's green. That's very cool little touch of that color going around.
With John and Annie's build, there was this really cool element of, local businesses and local businesses taking care of each other, because they have such a cool cafe that, we like showing off. We like taking our out-of-town family members to, because it's such a cool place. I thought it was really cool that in turn, when we built their van, they like showing off our product as well, and it kind of goes both ways.
It's inspiring to see that someone who owns a small business can be successful for a long period of time, and not only be successful, also maintain and be family oriented, because it's really hard to run a small business, so it's really inspiring to see that.
Scenic Vans, and I don't mean to sound like a commercial, but Scenic Vans has been very easy to work with.
They just seem like good people and kind of simple and get it done quick, but did a really good job from what we were seeing. I think they've just all been really nice to work with, really nice, and receptive to ideas, and so really care.
And one thing we did learn is, if you want to have quality electrical that's safe and quality plumbing that's safe, and a resource to go back if you want to change things, and the process we've been through in building it are great. They're really professional. Everybody's qualified.
Marshall, can you say Scenic Vans? Can you say rent a camper van? Can you say unlimited mileage? Aw, you know what's up.